Bill Gates graduated high school in 1973. He started university shortly after. The university he went to was Harvard University. Harvard University is one of the oldest and most famous universities in America. His original plan was to become a lawyer, but he was still obsessed with computers. He spent most of his time in school working on them. Bill also kept in touch with his friend from high school, Paul Allen. They worked on several projects together. Bill dropped out of Harvard in 1975. He did this to start Microsoft with his good friend Paul Allen. This was a time when personal computers were starting to become popular, so the company did very well. 10 years later, about 90% of the world's computers had Microsoft software in them. The company also started making other products, such as Microsoft Word and Excel. Eventually, Bill Gates became the richest man in the world. In 1994, he got married to his wife, Melinda. They have three children together, two daughters and a son. Next, let's talk about why he became successful. There seem to be a couple of reasons for this. For example, Bill was passionate about computers, and he worked very hard to make his company successful. He was also very confident. He wasn't afraid to take many risks, which is important in business. For example, he took a big risk when he dropped out of Harvard University to start his company.